Okay, so for my creative work, I decided that I would kind of update the image page I had from the last creative work that I did on lesson 5. So I'll go ahead and log in. So I had this the last time, this image URL and this up here. What I added was I added that you could just change your password, your display name, your zip code. So we'll go ahead and we'll do this. So we'll change my full name, and as of right now, my password is just my Logan Thurman, all in lowercase and all and no spaces, whatnot. So we'll go ahead and we'll change the zip code. We'll go update account. So as you can see, let's just as you can see now that since using some of the features of Database or Firebase, you can have it send you a reset password. So we'll go over here. We can reset it. Now we'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 ones, and you can see right there. Save. All right. Now we'll go over here. We'll sign out. So this is the password before I changed it. And as you can see, it no longer works. And now I can log back in. I can also show you that it did change this in here. So now this is my full name again. The zip code changed. And that's it.